Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a really fun haul for you. So this one's a little all over the place and I decided to just put it all together and show you guys what I got. Some things that I'm really excited about. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe before you leave the video and also leave a thumbs up if you do like these type of hauls. I know you guys really like TJ Maxx hauls and things like that, but I decided to kind of put a little bit of everything together because it was just all over the place. I've got a few PR packages, I've got some jewelry, some makeup, some clothing, I've got a little bit of everything, so I am really stoked to jump in. So without further ado, let's get into the haul. So we're gonna start off with a little bit of jewelry. I've got two different things, and the first one is from Blush and Bar. I will link them down below if you want to check them out. They sent me some of the most adorable stackable rings. This one is my absolute favorite. I just want to show you in the box so you can look at how gorgeous it is before I put it on. So here it is on my hand. I love this one so much. This one is super cute as well. This one has like three little, kind of looks like opal. It's really gorgeous and they're so petite. I'm gonna put that one on my pinky next to it just so you guys can see both of them. I'm gonna put this one on my other ring finger. Look how beautiful that is. So this one is the Joyce layered stack ring and it is sterling silver. It's so gorgeous. Look at that sparkle. This one is the Sasha sparkle ring. She's so gorgeous. Oh my god. And our little guy is the Simple Dots opal ring. But again, this one is my absolute favorite, the Sasha. So I am super stoked to wear these and pair them with other things that I already have too. So Blush and Bar does a really beautiful job with these little stackable rings. So again, here is all three so you can take a look at them together. And thank you so much to Blush and Bar for these beautiful rings and for sponsoring today's little haul. I will link them down below with a coupon code for you guys as well, so you can check them out if you'd like to. And let's dive into the rest. Next is a little bit more jewelry. So as you may notice, I do have a different septum ring in. I know that has been kind of polarizing, but we're going to keep the jewelry trend going here. We're going to talk about it. I ordered these off of an Etsy shop called BM25 Jewelry. They came so perfectly packaged. So I got these two right here. So the first one I got is the one I'm wearing right now. Just a really simple gold hoop, kind of tight to the nose. I got mine in 16 gauge if you're curious about that. They're really small, they're dainty. This is what I originally wanted when I got my septum pierced. And here are the other two. I know they're tiny. I'll try to insert like a little picture or something so you can see them a bit better. They're gorgeous. They arrived really fast and they were pretty affordable as well. Alright, so now I'm going to jump into a little bit of Sephora stuff, and this is all over the place because I got supplements, makeup, all sorts of, it's just everywhere. So the first thing is this Vital Proteins collagen peptides. I just got like a really big thing of it. They gave us an extra discount at work and I was like, yeah, let me try that, because I really wanted to start ingesting some collagen into my system for my skin, for my joints, for just everything. So yeah, I was really happy to get a discount on that. So originally those are around $45 for those big containers. Sephora collection now is teaming up with Ollie for supplements. So I got lustrous hair and glowing skin to try out. These are pretty affordable. I think they're $15 or $16 at Sephora. I was really excited to see that Sephora was teaming up with them, and I'm definitely interested in giving these a try. These have hyaluronic acid, collagen, and sea buckthorn in the glowing skin, and then in the lustrous hair, keratin, biotin, and antioxidants. I'm also sampling the skin detox. The taste is decent to me. A lot of people ask like, ooh, are they really nasty? They're not bad. So to me, they kind of taste like Kool-Aid powder. Like if you've ever, as a child, made Kool-Aid powder and got like the powder on you, you're like, oh, I'll just lick it off. And you're like, oh, that's a lot of flavor. And it tastes like that gelatiny, powdery kind of thing. That's kind of what it tastes like, but it's not bad at all. So I'm excited to continue trying all of those out. Also got a few things of gratis that they wanted us to go ahead and start using right away. I got the Clinique ID, so I just chose to do mine with the hydrating jelly. I don't really like to use their moisturizing lotion because it has mineral oil in it, and the oil-free to me is just not a favorite either. So I figured with this, I would use it more as like a first step and then also follow it with a moisturizer. This is the Active Cartridge Concentrate for lines and wrinkles. I had the choice of any one of the concerns that they can address, but I just decided to go with this combination and try it out. So you actually like insert your cartridge in there and it pumps out both at one time. So yeah, I decided to go with the jelly and make it more of like a serum step versus like a true moisturizing step. We'll see how it works. I got the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. I got mine in Fair Neutral, of course, really light. They do have a pretty decent color range, and I actually like this one. I tried it out in store one day when I had no makeup on, but I still need to like give it a try at home. You know, it's quite different when you have all your stuff and you can do it exactly the way you want to, so I'm excited to give it a try that way. The last couple of items of gratis are the Sephora collection. This is the Matte Perfection Foundation. I got mine in 04 Porcelain. This is the little container here. Not really crazy about the packaging, but it is minimal, so it's nice for that reason. And then they also included the full coverage foundation brush. So it's really densely packed and it's got a pretty nice feel to it. It's soft but not too soft. And I also picked up one of these. It's the Milk Makeup Blur Spray. I actually really liked this when I tried it in store, but it was so expensive for just 2.3 ounces. So it went on sale for $14, so I picked one up then. The next thing I got is this Violet Voss Glitter Topper. This one is so gorgeous. So of all the shades that I've seen, this was the only one that stood out to me. I don't know how it's really going to show up on camera. I doubt it's going to do it justice, but in person it is so gorgeous. So it looks gold. Upon further inspection, it has so many colors of glitter that you can see. They're just tiny little bits in there, but it's so gorgeous. I'll definitely be using this very soon on my eyeballs. I also picked up a few of the Dr. Jart rubber masks. I actually really like these. I've only tried, I think, the hydration one, but I loved it, so I decided to pick up the Firm Lover, the Bright Lover, and then of course another one of the hydration lovers. These went on sale for I think $7, where they're originally $14 if I'm not mistaken. So for about a week, Sephora did daily wows where everything was basically half off, just a few select items a day, and with one of them I kind of went crazy because I bought way too many. So the Buxom Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipsticks were on sale for $10. They were originally $20, and I may have done a thing. So I tried on one of the Huda Demi Mattes, and I was like, oh my god, this formula is so nice, and I hadn't worn one of these in a really long time, and I said, you know what, I think those are similar. Let me compare them. They are super similar. So originally full price, you're not really going to save any money with the Buxom, but if you like one or the other and you're looking for a different color, check out the other one because a color may be there that you actually really like. I went ahead and swatched a couple. They're Pin Up Plum and Beg for Mauve. They are right here. Gorgeous. That one's called Taupe It Off. I was looking for a really good orangey red, and I was like, ooh, maybe I need this one. This one is called Make It Hot, and I think that's going to be beautiful in the summer. It's a tad more orange than red in my opinion, but man, it is so pretty. Alright, this one's called Wine Me. This last one here. Alright, this one's called Come to Dolly. Then I got a nice true red called Go Boldly. And then thank goodness somebody told me about this one because that's getting warmer right there and it's so gorgeous. So just look at those colors, man. And these do have like a shiny finish for a little while. Eventually they do start to dry down, but they never dry down 100% matte. It never gets dry, crunchy, anything like that. And surprisingly, to be such a shiny formula, they didn't bleed on me at all. If you have trouble with bleeding, a little lip liner I think would be enough to save you. So I also picked up a mirror. This actually came from Hot Topic, and I really couldn't find one that was quite like this, but it's by the brand Loungefly. So I wanted a hand mirror that I could hold up. It would be really cute in my videos and something that I really liked. And I was kind of inspired by Tati. I think she has a, is it Snow White? I think it's Snow White that she has a mirror of, and it's really cute. And I was like, ooh, I wish there was one for Beauty and the Beast, and then I found this one. So this is what the back looks like. It's so gorgeous. So it's like the mirror she holds up. Look at the detail there. And then without blinding you too much, this is the front. So it has little rose detail, little leaves on the side, pop of color. beautiful detail here. So I picked up this mirror. I think I got it on sale and it was like $17 or $18, and I'm really excited to have it. So if I'm filming with you guys, I can be like, ooh, let's check out the makeup. Let me look at it closer. So yeah, it'll be a little easier with this handle versus trying to like maneuver a compact. So that's my mirror. I got a few little like PR type packages I wanted to quickly tell you guys about. So the first one I got from Aveline. This is the Shave Your Way. So this is a little razor. So this is what the little razor looks like. So it's got these little roller balls that I think that kind of act like a guide. I think you're doing like this. So like I shave my arm, so this might be really helpful, but the head does flex in every direction, up, down, and kind of all around. So it's supposed to go around your curves really nicely, and this kind of acts like a little guide for that as well. So I'm excited to give it a try. I don't know what will happen, but we're going to try it out and see. I will let you guys know in vlogs if I am liking it, how it's going, all that good stuff. Thank you to them for sending me this really cool razor. I also got a box from Influenster. This is the L'Oreal Lash Serum Solution, and this is condition and care for your lashes for denser, thicker looking lash fringe, it says. So here is the actual product, just a lash serum. It's kind of neat that it's got like a brush tip that you actually click up. Here is the packaging. So I got this from Influencer. I'm definitely going to be trying it out really soon. I'm not going to start it yet, so you kind of click it up and roll it, see how it does. So thank you to L'Oreal and Influencer for sending me this little lash serum. I'm excited to try it out. I got another package. This is from Case Up Miami. So they reached out and asked me if I wanted to try this like travel makeup case, and I'm actually going to be traveling to do someone's makeup in October. I know that's a ways away, but I'm like, oh, this would be kind of handy. So I told them that, yeah, I think I could put it to use. And first off, I got the cutest little card, handwritten, from Kristen with Case Up. So sweet. So I will definitely link this below just so you can check it out if you would like to. And I really appreciate the little touches like that. So this is what it looks like. I actually thought it was black, but it looks like it's navy, and it's got like this little pink detail with a rosy gold zip. And it's really sturdy too. This has got like some hard material to it, which I like to kind of cushion it because, you know, makeup can be real expensive. So first off, this folds up, and you can hang this up, which is really convenient, especially if you're traveling. You've got like a little mesh zip. You've got this compartment here. It's got some stuffing in it. That compartment goes all the way down. You've got a second little place here, a place for brushes. It's got like a little strap for you, and then a whole big section here. So I am really excited. Okay, the only thing we have left are our Forever 21 bags. Let's dive in. So the first thing, I am actually wearing this necklace right now. This was only $5.90. It's a little rose gold necklace. I also have been picking up a new set of cat ears just about every time I go anywhere. So these were only $4.90, but they're really sparkly and kind of iridescent looking, so I thought these would be really cute in a video. I'm obsessed with cute socks. Oh, this one says, I am so hungry. It's a little sandwich. Their socks are only $1.90, so just like something cute and silly. I got this pair, which is ketchup and mustard together. So cute. I'm limiting myself to just the ones that are side by side, because if I could get like any of their socks, I'd buy like dozens of them. It's ridiculous. This shirt was on clearance, and I don't know, for some reason I really liked it, but it's just a little t-shirt, and it says Stranger. It's blue and orange, and it came knotted in the front. It actually looks really cute that way. I got super oversized, so it's really comfortable, but I just thought it was cute, and they're super soft. So $9 on clearance. And then this, I was feeling like a 90s childhood throwback, but I saw this shirt and I had to have it. So it's Chuck E. Cheese. So it says Chuck E. Cheese Pizza Time Theater, and it definitely looked like some freaking cheese right now in this color. It's a little bit on the crop side. I did get it kind of big. So this is a 1X, it's pretty big. So I'm still gonna wear it. I'll probably wear it with some black leggings, you know, just being cozy. But this was $17.90. It was just so worth it to me on so many levels. So yeah, if you guys haven't watched Shane's Conspiracy Theory, that's pretty much why Chuck E. Cheese is so funny to me right now. It's because of that. So yeah, I I had to have it. I got another set of cat ears, which I've already worn in a video. I think these were $4.90 as well. Like a corally pink fuzzy. I love these. This little bralette was only $5. I'm just looking for new bralettes because the ones that I always wear from them, mine are so bad. Like they're getting really old. I need to throw them out, but they don't have the exact same style. So this one's just like ribbed. It really has absolutely no support whatsoever with this one because it's super stretchy. I also got this one to try out. This was only $5 again. This one's a little bit better as far as support goes. Not that I'm looking for bralettes to really give a lot of support, but you know, just kind of have like a little bit of, you know, firmness all around, just a tiny bit. So just a medium large size. This one has wider straps and then the little crisscross in the front. So for just $5, I thought they would be cute to try. I actually like them both, you know, just kind of know what you're looking at and what you're getting. I got another freaking pair of socks. These say you make me soy happy. So cute. That need to be stopped. I got these really cute comfy pants. These were $19.90, so a little bit pricier, but they are like the coziest heather gray, and they do have just a touch of cinching at the bottom, not too tight or anything, but these are so freaking cozy. And I got one more thing, a white t-shirt with little peaches all over it. I wore it in one of my last videos, I'm pretty sure, and it was only $9.90. Probably after this I'm gonna put these cozy pants on with my Stranger t-shirt and just chill out and be cozy, so why not? So that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this little haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what other stores you would like to see me shop at and share my goodies with you. My goodies doesn't sound good. Anyway, so thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I think it's Snow White. Does it say the fairest of them all? Is it Cinderella? No.